Hello and welcome to the series of PICO CTF challenges in general categories. Today we will solve wave of flag. So let's open the challenge wave of flag and see what do we have here. Okay, can you invoke help flags or tool or binary? This program has extraordinary helpful information. So this is some kind of program that we have to download. So let's download and save it in the folder that we have already created, our PicoCTF folder. So PicoCTF and save it. Now the program has been saved and let's see. Let's open terminal and go to the folder. So cd desktop desktop and PicoCTF. Let's do ls. So we have program named worm that we have downloaded from wave of flag. So let's see the information using file command and worm. So it is lsb pi executable. So this is some sort of executable file. So let's try executing it. So before executing it, let's make it executable first. So let's use chmod command, chmod plus x and hit enter and ls. So we have this executable file over here. Let's execute it and hello user, pass me -h to learn what I can do. So let's pass -h to this program and worm and -h. Help, I actually don't do much, but I have this flag over here. So we have this flag. So let's copy the flag and go to our PicoCTF challenge, paste the flag and submit. And that's it. We have solved the challenge. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to stay tuned to our next videos.